to flood irrigation, such as evapotranspiration and salty water dumped from irrigation, and he will explain our ideas to this problem.
We will save water lost from evaporation and transpiration from farmlands due to flood irrigation, and we will condense them and then collect them. We will save salty water released from farmlands by using electrolysis, which involves applying an electric current to an anode and cathode, and using selective permeable membranes, and using resins to overcome the resistance. We will get the current for the electrodialysis, which needs to have high volt and low ampere from electrochemically active bacteria from the mud by a simple way, which involves applying anodes and cathodes to the mud.